Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dear friends, it's my great pleasure to welcome you tonight to this year's Franco-British Business Awards ceremony and gala dinner. It's a celebration of excellence, collaboration and leadership within a unique and dynamic business community.
It's an honor and a pleasure for me to be here for the annual Franco-British Business Awards ceremony. The winners of 2025 awards will be announced from 5 different categories in recognition of their ongoing work done by innovative, inventive, and committed women and men.
This year, we recognize organizations demonstrating excellence in areas such as community engagement, technological innovation, climate action, small business success, and philanthropic impact. These are businesses building not only strong commercial performance, but stronger societies, stronger communities, and a more sustainable future.
I was really shocked. I was absolutely delighted, of course, not just for me as the founder, but actually for the staff.
Oh, it's an amazing recognition of the time and resources we invested in R&D. It's a recognition for our teams, but also I think of the impact it can have.
What it does is showcases the amazing work of the Stop Hunger Foundation and also empowers other people to get involved.
It's always hugely gratifying to be recognised by your peers.
It's really helping us get the word out and show people the value of what we do, and gives us the validation that says, hey, if others are doing it, why can't you?
Thank you for your contribution to this very vibrant community. We're very happy to be with all of you tonight, and I hope you've spent a splendid evening. Thank you.